to go in. Get oil. Yeah. Finally shoot one. No, that was sick.
Yo, let's take him off of the spear.
Alright, so we didn't bring any fish line, so I'm just gonna try to improvise something here and try to make our own little fish line with this.
You have it?
Yep.
Alright, so we have dinner. Yeah.
Yo, first time stringing up a fish, boy!
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, guys. So messed up. So we pretty much put the fish out and came back. All we hear is some rustling and some noise. Mongoose pretty much took the one that I strung up. So yo, like all that work. I could pretty much hear them in there earlier fighting over the fish. But guys, that's life, you know, the same way we have to hunt to get something to eat. Oh, I just saw him over there. I just saw it. You guys probably, can you hear it? Probably not, but yeah, the same way we have to survive and, you know, hunt. They got an easy meal, yeah? Alright, so we're back at like a campsite. I'm about to scale up some fish. Because Raj say him normally roast feed fish then with the scale and put it in it tastes nicer. But I am not into that uncivilized type of thing, so
Like,
let me pull this off.
always scale the fish then.
And
Oh, you have pretty knife there, so I'm gonna have to be my knife.
no sir. Can't tell no more. That's why I normally have it on the little axis something. So I give me more angle. But alright, so the fish are cleaned up. Bigger fish you normally put like about 2 slices in it. Smaller one, probably 1 would be good enough, but 2 is also alright. So that's the vibe. Getting ready to roast these. Alright, so to get a good flavor comparison, it's best to, you know, try seasoning one and then trying. So I'm gonna take one of the small ones, season it up with a little bit of you know, typical seasoning, which is black pepper, salt, and I'm gonna add it to the coconut oil, and then I'll see, like, you know, which one is really great and which one is just, yeah, good. Alright, so there's no real rocket science to this. Just don't overdo it. So some black pepper. The wind is blowing everything out of my hand, but whatever. Oh my gosh, too much salt. So I took out some of the salt because it's too much. Just a small fish. So black pepper, salt. Alright. And then usually, as you know, drop it into the gills, into the head. If you like to eat the head of the fish, then do that. Same thing with the other slits that you made. And then that's that. Bit of coconut oil This is virgin coconut also, you know, the flavor is the highest level. Back in the day you could have easily find, well even still now you can find people selling the coconut oil, like the raw ones that are unlabeled, but they're a dime a dozen. Oh, yo, you can smell, it smells so damn good. It smells so good. Alright, and that's that. Alright, so what we're trying to get here is just for the sticks to really burn out and to be turned into really hot coals. So we don't necessarily want open flames, because if you have open flames, it's just going to mean that the fish is going to burn really quickly. I just want a really slow cook. Alright. Alright, so the first one going on is the unseasoned. And then I'm going to get the seasoned one. Even the seasoned one sizzles better, baby. The money always a build some new chef stick.
It is on of a turn of fish.
Yeah. So just can see him giving it a little lift, because if you make it stay like that, it's gonna stick to the grill, right? Yeah.
I don't want that right now. Once you lift up the fish and you see a big chunk of meat just drop into the fire.
Yeah.
Oh la la. Don't wanna get too much fire.
Alright, so the seasoned fish is ready.
Hold it over the fire.
Alright, so this is definitely the seasoned one. Ooh. I like how this is cooked. The fish is definitely not overcooked. It's not dry, still tender. There is no way in hell that your unseasoned one is beating this. No freaking way. Try it.
Taste the coconut oil.
Yep. It's a vibe.
What's the one?
Yeah, we should have done all the damn fish like this. Woo, it's hot. But the fish itself, not just the season, but the fish itself, really good. It's good. Alright, so here we have the unseasoned one. Now, I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion, man. Straight up opinion. fresh off the grill. It's good, but how can I put it in a sense that most persons don't understand? It's like having a girl, but she only deal with lizard lap. But seasoned is like the girl deal with lizard lap plus backers. It's just like you see me? It's kind of extra thing to it, but this is just as good. When I was a kid growing up and watching people like hunting and catching food and throwing it on the grill and just eating it straight up, I used to always wonder, like, you know, why. But having this for myself, you could definitely go out and survive a situation, no salt, no black pepper, and eat this without really crying about it. It's really good. Good experience.
Alright, so yes about the fish.
Yeah, as I said in my video, listen me.
It tastes just as good.
Just as good? You liar. You guys can easily tell, like, of the both of us, I mean, this is what makes it work. We're two different people, but we share similar taste of things, you see me? I'm probably the more adventurous eater when it comes down to food. You see me? I like, you know, having different seasonings, you know, variety, you know, and you probably be a little bit more laid back with it. But overall analysis, like, both of them are just as good. I mean, if you're trying to travel really light, then you probably wouldn't even need the coconut oil, because the coconut oil is a bit of weight, but the salt and pepper, I mean, that's really minuscule. You can take that with you on any hike, you know, any survival situation, so that's okay. But if you never had any of those, you could survive. There is no way you'd eat the food and complain. You would survive. Which do you think is better? The fish unseasoned or the crab unseasoned? I'm going with the crab. But you gotta choose one, bro. Yeah, definitely the crab. Alright, so I'll get the fire ready
For the next fish.
for the big one. Let's do it. Just that is a stroll just now. We're just still waiting for the fire to heat up again so we can roast the other big. Yo! What are you? Yo!
Yo, the fire must already know.
Yeah, man, everything blessed. Alright, fish like it done. Time to deal with it. a nice little chunk there. Fresh white meat.
Wow.
Alright, so I know some of you guys will be saying, yo, wow, go on for the fish head, but yo, me not eat fish head, him not eat fish head, so maybe one of these days one of you guys can join us out here, but only the real serious people who can manage survival situation, because it's not as easy as it seems. But yeah, the next step of the video is actually go pick some coconut jelly water so we can have some hydration and yeah, wrap the video up.
Yo, dog, when you go in the shit, we can't walk this again. What's up, young king?
Watch out, yacht. You want it, man?
Yeah, man. Cause you know one kind
Here,
of
on tough.
Alright.
Blah, blah. Right, man. We're going to another one, but this one a bit tougher.
Yeah, the meat one is hard.
If you have a knife, you're good though. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of another really cool video. Here today was one of those days where, you know, we didn't catch as much as we wanted, you know, mango steak with a fish, bag or something. But if you guys enjoy these videos and the time and effort that we put into making these content, you know, because we have to be lugging around with equipment just to film these and you guys can stay at home and watch, yo, feel free to drop a like on the video. Right now we're trying to walk around because the dogs them are released and we don't have time for that. So anyway guys, remember these three things: love, nature and adaptation. And the next video we're linking up again. I'll be doing some porridge and he'll be doing some
brown stew fish.
Brown stew fish is gonna be a vibe. Keep the link.